Okay, if you need to reset your Zosi DVR, here are the simple steps. Here's the DVR. There is a QR code just right here. You can use your cell phone. Just download this app. It's the SPD app. This blue app I already have installed here. Let me open it up. Here we go. You just need to press this button and start the QR code scan. I'm doing this right now. I just want to point here to the QR code. Here we go. Look for the right position. And you hear the beep. And that's it. Now you got the code. You have 6 super password code and 20. That depends on the ID you have. In my case, the ID here is with 20 characters. So I'm gonna use this one, 20 super password, right? So I just click here and I get my super password. So I'm gonna use my cell phone just to read it and type on my DVR right now. So I'll just grab my mouse, come here to my DVR, right click, main menu, and then I type this long password. And then you hit enter, login. That's it. Now you have access to your DVR again. And then you need to come here to set up and change your password. I go to users and here in admin, click change password. And then you don't type anything here, leave it blank, right? Just type your new password here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you hit enter and the password again. Let me just log out, okay, and let me try to log in again with my new password. And here we go, it's working. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave your thumbs up and your comments right here, right?